Okay, folks, example number 3 says copy and complete the box model. Okay? They've given us this, and they want us to draw another one. Tell me what I should draw up here, Emma. So I'm going to draw a box under T that's empty, and then you want me to draw a box here, and it has 1/3 in it, okay? And so you want an arrow going back to the left side now, okay? And what do I do to that 1/3? Times 2, the inverse operation. So let me ask you, Emma, what is 1/3 times 2? 2/3. So that means that T has to equal what, Emma? T is equal to 2/3. Beautiful. Now, before we're done with that, I'm actually going to write this the way you might see it in an equation. In an equation, you would see T over 3 is equal to, oh, I'm sorry, not over 3, it's divided by 2. T over 2 is equal to 1/3, right? That's the way we would see it in an equation. Now, when we're solving, what does it mean to solve? Raise your hand if you can tell me. You see the word solve, you're supposed to do this. Ian? Get the variable by itself. I could not have said it better. Ian, is the variable by itself? No. Cara, what's happening to the variable right now? It's being divided by 2. So to get rid of that 2, what do I need to do? I need to multiply it by 2. But Cara, this is algebra, so I need to do what? What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay, well let me ask you, what happens on the left side over here, Catherine? On the left side, this side over here. What do I get on that side? I am multiplying it by 2. It's not, because I'm multiplying it by 2. What happens to these 2's?
Oh,
They don't get multiplied that way.
Oh.
Remember, when we're multiplying fractions, we multiply straight across, and now we've got 2t over 2. What happens to these 2's? Top and bottom. They cancel each other out, and I'm just left with t. Okay? And t equals what when I multiply 1/3 by 2? It equals 2/3. T equals 2/3. And that's just what Emma told us as well. Okay? Let's do one more with that. If I have x minus 4.9 equals 12.2, okay? I'm just throwing some decimals in there. Carson, what does it mean to solve? Ian told us whenever we see the word solve, we need to hang on one moment. What does it mean to solve, Annabelle? Get the variable by itself. Okay. Now, Carson, is the variable by itself right now? It's not. What's happening to the variable?
Well, it's 4.9 is subtracting into 12.
Okay. So how do I undo that?
You would do 12.2 plus 4.9.
All right. Now remember, Carson, and this is something that we're going to have to get down. You need to do it to both sides. I need to add 4.9 on the left side because that undoes it. Right? We need those two things to cancel. But it's algebra, and in algebra, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So that means I need to add 4.9 on the right side. So that's going to leave me with x equals, and when I add that together, 1, carry my 1, decimal point, 17.1. Okay, so x has to equal 17.1. Great job. One more example.